Hey, this is the new 2010 Kink Whip BMX bike. It rides street and trail. And the first thing I like to point out is the purple Kink Omega grips. It's got purple brake line, purple stem, purple cranks, and purple hubs, and both back and front. And first thing, it's got sealed integrated headset, sealed mid-bottom bracket, and a sealed cassette. And one of the other things I like is that it came with a Kink pivotal seat post. It's pretty sweet. And secondly, these are Well-Go pedals. I was about to take them off, but I noticed that they're like, the pins were like huge. They're really nice, and I like them. And the gearing on this bike is a 25/9, and just show you how it sounds. Sounds real nice. And these are Alienation Black Sheep rims. The front rim is a single-walled rim, and the back rim is a double-walled rim. Now these are Kink Uptown bars. They're really nice bars. Really wide. Lets you have more control of the bike. And that's pretty much it.